Like every appliance, the ar-sandbox requires some maintenance. Let's start with the most frequent actions. Before any maintenance work, turn off and unplug the device. Regular cleaning of your sandbox is advised, especially when it comes to the sensor. Any kind of dirt that settles on it may potentially cause lagging. Make sure to clean it with soft damp cloth and then wipe dry at least once a month. The housing can also be wiped with soft cloth and some cleaner. One element that should never be touched is the lens of the projector. You can use compressed air to clean it. Another maintenance work is replacing the sand. It should be done once every 6 months or even more frequently if the sandbox is used daily. Try to always put in the same amount that was initially in the sandpit. If you want the kinetic sand to retain its properties longer, cover the sandbox when not used. Even an ordinary piece of cardboard will help preserve its softness.